Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a spanner set. You will also need a replacement switch compatible with the Thermomix TM31. Start by unplugging the device to ensure safety during the repair process. Next, remove the base of the Thermomix. This involves unscrewing the screws located at the bottom of the unit. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully take out these screws, placing them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base off, exposing the internal components. Now, locate the switch. It is typically situated near the power cord entry point. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the unit. This not only helps with the repair, but also ensures your Thermomix operates efficiently. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully disconnect the wires attached to the old switch. Make a note of where each wire connects, as this will be crucial when installing the new switch. If you find this process too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and effort. Once the old switch is removed, take your new switch and connect the wires in the same configuration as the old one. Ensure that the connections are secure to prevent any electrical issues later on. After connecting the wires, test the switch by gently pressing it to ensure it functions correctly. Now it's time to reassemble the Thermomix. Carefully place the base back onto the unit, ensuring that all internal components are aligned properly. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely with your Phillips screwdriver. It's important to ensure that the base is firmly attached to avoid any movement during use. Before you finish, take a moment to clean the exterior of your Thermomix. A clean appliance not only looks better, but also functions more effectively. If you prefer, we can assist with collection and delivery at your home, making the process even easier for you. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and test the new switch. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You have successfully replaced the switch on your Thermomix TM31. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before proceeding with any further work. This way, you can make an informed decision about your appliance repair needs. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.